All right, I think we have another coming up. I'm not sure exactly which it is, but we'll get an introduction momentarily.
Hey.
Hello?
Uh,
From Lido, I can
Works.
see from the shirt.
Hey, very excited to be here.
Excited to have you here with me on stage. We're talking to the folks that are not hungry and not eating lunch or have already eaten, and all the folks back home looking into that camera in the back, and the folks in the lunchroom, I suppose. Well, maybe we can start off with just a quick introduction, rundown of yourself and Lido.
Yeah, I'm Azat. I'm a core contributor at Lido. Well, you may have heard of Lido. We are in the LST market. We're like the leading liquid staking solution for Ethereum. We have about 15 billion in TVL. Yeah, we are very excited to be here because security is paramount to everything we do at Lido. So, yeah.
That's great. Maybe we can explain just a little bit to folks who may not be familiar what liquid staking derivatives are.
Yeah, liquid staking is like it's like a protocol layer over native Ethereum staking. So anyone who has not everyone can go into staking. Like you have to have 32 ETH, right? You have to maintain your own hardware. Not everyone wants to do that. So we offer like a small layer that we can delegate your ETH, whatever that may be, like 1 ETH, 1/2 ETH, to other node operators. So you don't have to manage your own hardware. Yeah.
Got it. Making it easier for all of us to be stakers.
Yeah. Making it easy, yeah.
I'm a huge user of Lido myself, so.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can jump into the question I'm throwing at everybody. What made you guys decide to be sponsors for the DeFi Security Summit?
Yeah, well, Lido stands on the shoulders of Ethereum and DeFi. So we thought this is going to be a great opportunity to give back to the community. And Lido understands its role and the responsibility as like a big player in DeFi. So Lido wants to share their best practices, share their knowledge, how we take security very seriously at Lido. So I think it's a great opportunity to share our knowledge here. Yeah.
And great opportunity to dig into just like what that means, right? Because I think the perspective from Lido could be very different, right? From the perspective of Trail of Bits or Sigma Prime, who I've interviewed, so far. So what does it mean to really think about and focus on security from a protocol development standpoint, day one or, day N?
Yeah. I'm a technical guy, so I can talk from that perspective. So we have like a whole process, starting from the the design, like the documents, the spec, the ADR, what we call it, like the Lido improvement proposal. We publish all these documents on our forums. Then we go through several rounds of reviews, like internal reviews, and also we publish this on forums and gather feedback on the design. And once that's settled, we go into the implementation, the actual code. We write the code, then we do another round of reviews, like cross-team reviews, like not only developers participate in these reviews, but analytics do as well. So yeah. Then we submit our code to external audits. We gather their feedback, we gather their findings, and work on them, and resubmit our code base for an re-audit. So once that's done, we can deploy our contracts. Yeah. Like the deploy process is also very strict. We gather like a deploy party, what we call it. It's like a 3-hour Zoom call. We gather as much people as we can. We have like a first pilot, the person who was developing the contracts, and the second pilot, the person who's going to be running all the running the transaction. Yeah. So we again on this call we review the entire test suite, the scripts, the smart contract code. If everything is okay, we run the transaction. deploy the code on mainnet. And we verify that once again through like different like internal tooling. Like we diff the smart contract code from Etherscan to GitHub. Yeah. We even verify the bytecode as well. Yeah. So once that's approved, we submit our like address, the contract address, to our auditors, so that they can put that address into the PDF, and we can publish the audit, in our like audit repo, so it's publicly available. Yeah, that's like the entire like deploy process of a smart contract.
That's a long process.
Yeah.
So it's not just write smart contract, get audited, deploy.
It's a lot of work outside the code, the actual code, yeah.
Absolutely. No, very interesting. And the last question I'll throw your way is, what do you think will be the most important developments for DeFi security that will happen or that will take place in the next year or so?
I think we will see that we will already see that the space is getting more mature. Like the users don't jump at every like a DeFi opportunity. Like they don't jump at every like 10%, 20% API. They have to they make their due diligence. They do their diligence, and we will. That's why we will see like more projects prioritizing security, and so we will see the security space more competitive. Among like some of the trends, I would say that formal verification is going to be like big, and also we would like to see like the off-chain security get a little more attention, like front ends, off-chain tooling, like bots. We would like to I think there's some room for improvement in terms of like security of those off-chain things. So we would likely to see some advancements in that area.
Very interesting. I think we're going to talk a little bit about formal verification next. So
yeah, okay.
Thank you so much for your time and for joining me on the stage.
Thank you.